The BPMIO Robot Vacuum 5500 Max boasts an impressive suction power of 5,500 Pascals, making it exceptionally effective at removing dust and stains from various surfaces. Equipped with advanced LiDAR navigation and SLAM algorithms, this robot vacuum swiftly scans your home to create detailed maps, ensuring efficient and precise cleaning. This versatile two-in-one device not only vacuums but also mops your floors, featuring an electronically controlled water tank and HEPA filter to capture nearly all dust particles. You can easily schedule cleaning sessions and customize specific areas to be cleaned or avoided using the intuitive app. And it also supports voice commands via Alexa and Google Assistant. The self-charging capability ensures the vacuum completes its tasks without interruption, automatically returning to its charging station when the battery is low and resuming cleaning once recharged. With 24/7 customer support, BPMIO guarantees personalized and satisfactory solutions, making it a reliable choice for users seeking convenience and efficiency in floor care.